Hi friends, I hope you are enjoying the journey of the snowflakes learning with me. The more you learn, the more you grow. So let's begin in this video. In this video, I'm going to cover the creating the warehouse using the command line, and also I'm going to cover how to modify, how to edit, how to manage your warehouse using the command line as well as using the interface. So let's begin. So I already opened my Snowflake account. Now I will go to the projects and I just open the worksheet and I'm going to add one more worksheet from start to creating the warehouse. Yes, I'm going to give some name. So I gave the name of the creating the warehouse command. So this part is done. Now there's the create command and it is autofill. Let's say I am I am writing something create or replace. So I just press the tab button. So it will going to be autofill. The replace command automatically come. We are creating the warehouse. So this is the warehouse and just I'm going to give some name, just second DW. So this is the name I already gave. So now what what are the size we have to be select? So we need to pass a parameter. So the passing the parameter we have warehouse size. So this is the size. So we're going to start the size as a extra small, right? Now the suspended option, right? If you want to select the suspended, so I'm using the command auto suspended equal to 300 second. So this is the when you're not using it will automatically suspend. Let's say if I keep as a I'm not using it. Let's say remove this command. I'm using with a minimum the the parameters and minimum settings for that. So we are going to use the minimum cluster count equal to 1 and maximum cluster count equal to 3. Means it will, as I already explained you the previous the video, and if you're not checked, please go and check in a playlist. So in that video, or I already explained, I already visualize you guys. It will start for the one. Let's say if you want to some big processes are coming, so it will automatically start the new cluster for that process. So here also we have the provision to give the comment. So I'm going to provide the comment like, this is our second warehouse. So let's execute this command. Okay, so if you can see here, the our second warehouse is successfully created, and if you go here, it is already started, right? So this is started, and if you see the setting, what are the things we have gave while creating the warehouse. So you can see whatever the minimum cluster count 1, maximum we have give 3, and if you see here auto suspended, by default it is coming as a 600 second, but whatever if you want to modify, you can modify by the command. And auto resume is automatically unable. Yeah, means if it is down, if you're not using it, is automatically start. So, and you can see whatever the comment we have gave, you can see our comments are also present in this in this screen. and it automatically um, started the warehouse to compute. Now, let's say this warehouse, whatever we have created, it auto assign. Now we don't want to start initially whenever creating those warehouses. We don't want to start automatically. So there is one command we need to enable the property that is called initially suspended equal to true. If I run this command, you can see it will automatically replace and it is successfully created. After executing this command, um, initially suspended. So if you see here, if I go and if I select this property, so you can see the warehouse is suspended, right? So this is suspended mode. And one more important thing I want to highlight here, it is running on the cloud services. So we don't require any kind of the warehouse and those things. So this is how you can create the warehouse in the Snowflake. So now we can we can try to alter, as I said, right? We This is auto suspended in 600 second. Now I want to change this auto suspended 300 second. So how to do? I'm opening new window and write one more the command and syntax for that. So we need to start with our command with alter command. Alter what you want to alter. So we want to alter the warehouse and we this is our warehouse name. And now we have to give the set what you want to set. So we need to write the set and we have to write the um, auto suspended equal to 300 auto suspended. So let me execute this and we can see the result. So you can see I already start the alter command. I can see the date the our warehouse is already altered. Now let's see what happened. So if I go to our this one and I'm going to see the status what is happened. So you can see we have altered our suspended to 600 to 300. So how this is how you can alter your warehouse and you can provide new value. You can give the property and everything, change the property of your warehouse. So you can do in this way. So in this way you can manage your data warehouse. So and now I'm going to show you how can you manage by using the interface. So let's go to the admin console. This is the admin console. If you see here the warehouse and this is our the database. First, yeah, this database we have created using our interface. This database we have created by using our command line. So if you want to manage anything, if you go there and just edit, and you can change your property here also. You can change your database size and you can do what you can do that. Also, if you want to rename your data, you can rename it, you can drop, you can transfer your ownership. Let's say I want to transfer, this is the owner of admin, um, account admin, and the best practice and the recommendation, it is always be the sysadmin. So let's say I'm going to try to transfer my account admin to sysadmin. So this is I already transfer. You can see here my ownership is changed, right? So now again move to our command line. Let's move to the command. So this is a create statement and this is alter statement, how it will look like. And now we want to see how to drop. So dropping the data or dropping anything is very simple, right? So dropping, so it's create the command drop, just type in, just what you want to drop. So we want to drop the warehouse. So this is our warehouse which we want to drop, which we have created using our command, right? And dropping from the uh, interface I already explained and already shown you. So this is how now I'm going to drop from the command. So you just execute it, it's successful. Now if you want to see here, there is no our data second DW is by the name of second DW is, there is no data warehouse here present because it's dropped. So till now we have covered summary of this one. We have covered our creating the warehouse using the command line. We also checked how to alter the how to uh, modify your the warehouse by using the command. That also we learned. And also we also learned how to drop by using the command. And also we learned how to manage your data warehouse by using the interface. Already shown how to change the ownership, how to do the things, how to edit those things. You can do by using the interface as well. Thank you so much to watching. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much.